The phrase "when you learn, teach, and when you get, give" is a powerful reminder that we all have something to offer, no matter how much or how little we know. When we learn something new, we have the opportunity to share that knowledge with others. Whether it's teaching a child how to read, showing a friend how to cook a new recipe, or mentoring a colleague at work, we can all find ways to pass on our knowledge and expertise. But giving doesn't just mean sharing our knowledge. It also means giving back to our communities and those in need. Whether it's volunteering at a food bank, donating money to a charity, or simply being kind to those around us, we all have the power to make a difference in the world by giving to others. We not only help those in need, but we also cultivate a sense of gratitude and generosity within ourselves. Of course, giving and teaching are not always easy. It can be hard to find the time or the resources to help others, especially when we're busy with our own lives. But the benefits of giving and teaching far outweigh the costs. By sharing our knowledge and resources, we build stronger communities, foster deeper connections, and create a more just and equitable. In conclusion, the phrase "when you learn, teach, and when you get, give" is a powerful reminder that we all have something to offer. Whether it's sharing our knowledge with others or giving back to our communities, we can all find ways to make a positive impact in the world. So the next time you learn something new or receive a gift, remember to teach and give. It's the best way to make the world a better place.